Hey POE, it's Fagan. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, this video I'm going to keep it like less than 5 minutes, less than 6 minutes. And during that time, I'm going on my phone and I'm put in airplane mode, and I want you to do the same and put it aside. Because if you remember, like we talked about at the beginning of the year, multitasking, not a thing. All right, it's called switch tasking, and if you do that, you won't be able to fully get this message. You'll have to watch it over and over. Instead of it just being 5 minutes you spend one time, it could be 5 minutes you spend multiple times. All right, so focus. Here's the deal. If you haven't seen the last video, go ahead and watch that. But as far as what I'm going to tell you in this video, it's the nitty gritty of this particular week and what we're moving towards for the rest of the semester. So as you can see on my screen, I've got the rest of the semester planned out for you. The main goal, if you look over here at week 8, which will be May 18th, that Monday, is to do a Zoom or a WebEx to show me and other students ballistic devices that you will create. You might be thinking, well, what does that mean? Well, you will see. Also, the best virtual bridge, and yes, I'm working on finding, there are some virtual bridge programs that will work on Mac that are pretty easy to get, okay? Finally, maybe a Zoom or a WebEx to take the final together for those of you who are interested. That way I can like roll it out to you, maybe share my screen, and then working together, you guys could try to solve the problems, all right? And that way, in case there ever is an EOC that you guys would get to take, you would be more prepared for that than what's going to happen with things as they are. Okay, so that's kind of the major goal, all right? Like some WebEx or Zoom at the end to show off a virtual bridge that you create. It'll be pretty similar rules as this last one. A ballistic device, and then like maybe take a final together, all right? And of course these things are optional, but I'm encouraging you to do them. All right, so let's look at this week, okay, what you need to do. Ooh, brief extra credit opportunity for you, all right? It's a little Easter egg. So don't tell your friends, or actually do tell your friends. Tell them to watch this video to find out the extra credit. Here it is. I will give 20 points to the assignment you want me, you tell me to add them to. If you can do this on this post in the comments on Google Classroom, of course. Tell me something you are thankful for during this crazy coronavirus lockdown, or if you're not thankful for it, just something that you were the least upset by, or that's been the least worst thing. All right, so maybe something good that's come out of this. But you need to do that before next Monday, so that's going to be April 6th at 2:40 p.m. Okay, so there's your extra credit opportunity. All right, finally, this week, you are welcome to make up or redo any past work. That's true not just of this week, but all weeks moving forward, right? The way to do that is you need to look on Skyward and do what it says with the resources that you have, right? Okay. Download, check out Fusion 360. That's something else I have on the docket for this week. So I may or may not have you guys use that. Probably won't have you use that very much formally. It won't really come into play. But I know a lot of you enjoyed Inventor. And, if you're not doing anything else anyway and you want something cool or interesting to try out, I've put some directions on POE. If you go to the classwork and this General Fusion 360, one of these videos will tell you how to get it on your computer. And I'd love for you to work on that this week. All right, here it is. Download Fusion 360 correctly. Note that it says, do not do it from Manager. Okay, if you do it from Manager, I can't help you. All right, but if you follow these directions, we should have some success with you getting that set up. All right, email me, of course, if you have issues. And also these fourth quarter plans that we're going through, I've put these on Google Classroom as well. They're going to be in the syllabus area. Okay. There's another really cool video that I've put in here, which is you guys need to start checking your email every day, okay, at least once a day, all right? And this digital life skill or hack video teaches you how to create filters to maintain an empty inbox, okay? I swear by filters on Gmail. It has saved so many precious hours of my life to not have to go through and read, look at, or even delete stupid emails that I don't need. Okay, so check that out. Could be the most greatest thing you take from this class. All right, so finally, yeah, your main thing this week, and I'll just zoom in a little bit here, is, of course, downloading or checking out Fusion 360. If you want to get a start on Product Analysis 2.2.1, you can do that. Just look ahead at this assignment, all right, Product Analysis. Yeah, and feel free to kind of work through it, but no need to really do that this week. In fact, the activities on my PLTW, I might change up a lot. So, yeah, you'll see. So if you just want to sit tight till next week, go for it. Don't forget about your extra credit. All right. Hope you guys are doing well. Look forward to seeing you. I do have some office hours. You can look those up in an email or whatever that I've sent you. All right. Peace.